Hello everybody, this is Greg Stock, CEO of Thibodaux Regional Health System. Today I'd like to provide you with a brief update on the progress being made to build an outstanding cancer facility. So behind me here is the atrium, 5-story atrium just inside of the front entrance that provides an immense amount of light, natural light to the whole facility. The exterior walls have a lot of light that comes through them. Those wood backings will be underneath stone, and then finished panels that will be attached a little bit later. You can also see probably the elevator. It's a glass elevator. You can be able to see out into the atrium, again in line with the clean, well-lighted place. And then in each floor, you'll be able to view across, down, and up, and have that same kind of feeling. And so a state-of-the-art cancer center, and this building is unique. There's not another one like this building. It was great care, a lot of work into the design process, and great care in the quality of the workmanship in the building. You know, cancer care relies on several key aspects. One is the technology. The technology in this building is state-of-the-art. Radiation oncology, the diagnostics, and other technology all brought together enable our doctors and our staff to treat patients in the latest manner, the best manner possible. In addition, there's a general concept that people like to be treated closer to home. They don't want to travel for their cancer care and disrupt their families' work routines and other routines. The wait times can be terrible. You don't know anyone there. It's a foreign place to you. It's not comfortable. Whereas if you can get your care here locally in this region, and it can be very good care, you're better off. Thibodaux Regional's outcomes, by the way, for cancer care are among the very best anywhere. Very best anywhere. And so in lining up cancer programs that are really great ones, here's one right here. That includes the personalized aspect about it. It's about the people who take care of you, how much compassion they have, how much care they show, how skillful they are, frankly, in showing that care. So you take a great building, an outstanding building, great technology, and great people, and your purpose is not to ship people somewhere else for their care. It's to provide the care here, near their homes. You have a great purpose, and you put that all together, you really have a chance to create an outstanding cancer institute, and that's what we're doing. Thank you.